Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off auto download for audio files on WhatsApp so you can save data and keep your storage under control. Whether you're using mobile data or Wi-Fi, this quick guide will help you stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading voice messages and audio files every time you receive them. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main chat screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see three dots lined up vertically. Tap on them to open the menu and then select Settings from the list of options. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Storage and Data. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you can manage how WhatsApp handles media downloads, including photos, videos, documents, and audio files. Under the Media Auto Download section, you'll see three different categories based on your connection type: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Let's start with the first two options. Tap on when using mobile data. A list will appear showing different types of media that WhatsApp may automatically download, like photos, videos, documents, and audio. To stop audio from downloading automatically, simply uncheck the box next to audio. After that, tap OK to save your changes. Now, go back and tap on when connected on Wi-Fi. You'll see the same list once again. Just like before, uncheck the box next to audio and confirm by tapping OK. This ensures that audio files won't download automatically even when you're on Wi-Fi. You can still listen to them anytime by tapping manually on each audio message, but they won't clutter your storage or use up unnecessary data. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully turned off auto download for audio on WhatsApp. From now on, your device will only download audio files when you choose to. This small change can make a big difference in controlling your data usage and keeping your phone's memory organized. Thanks for watching.